Hello, good morning all of you. So I hope you wrote the exam well. So that was conducted yesterday. So I think we have completed errors, and in last week we started second chapter, alcohols. So in that we are continuing this preparation methods of the alcohols. So here still there are some more reactions for the preparations of alcohols. So let us start the remaining preparation methods of alcohols. Okay. So here another preparation method, that is ester hydrolysis. Ester hydrolysis. Okay, actually here ester hydrolysis. So for suppose this is the ester, this one on hydrolysis, that means you are treating with water in the presence of acid medium or basic medium. So here this ester is converted to carboxylic acid and alcohol. Carboxylic acid and alcohol. So in this case here it is a dilute acid or dilute base. Dilute acid or dilute base. So here what is the mechanism of this reaction? So actually here, for suppose let us consider this one CH3 C double bond O, here O E T, this is ester in the presence of acid medium. So it is converted to CH3 C double bond O OH plus ETOH. Simply you can write the product like this here, H and OH. Ester hydrolysis. Okay. For simply writing the product, the breaking of this carbon and oxygen bond. So ETO minus H plus and here C and OH, carboxylic acid and alcohol. So those are the products. So here in this case, so what is the mechanism of this reaction? Mechanism of this reaction in the presence of acid medium. The presence of acid medium. Okay. Now here first CH3C double bond O, here ET. In the presence of acid medium, here protonation of this oxygen takes place. Protonation of this oxygen. So here CH3 C double bond O plus here ET. Now in this case, here acid acting as a catalyst. How it is acting as a catalyst? So generally here there is a partial negative, here partial positive. Now here by the protonation this oxygen becomes a O plus. That means here electron deficient. So that electron deficient oxygen attract the electrons from the carbon effectively. So that it is more positive charge on this carbon. Okay. So in this case more positive. Now here that more positive charged carbon attacked by the nucleophile. It is a weak nucleophile. Water is a weak nucleophile. So that attacks on the carbon because this carbon has a more positive charge by the protonation. Because O plus is the electron deficient. That electron deficient oxygen attract the electrons effectively. So then more positive charge is created on the carbon. So it is readily attacked by the water even though it is a weak nucleophile. So then here CH3 C OH. So transfer of pi electrons. Here OH, here H. This one carries a positive. Okay. So it is a tetrahedral reaction. Tetrahedral reaction intermediate. Now next one here. Proton transfer. So oxygen O plus gains electrons from the OH bond, then H plus transfer to this one. Okay. So here CH3 C OH, here H, here this one gas is positive. Now OH. Okay. Now here generally, so one of the key step of this reaction. Now leaving out this interval because there is a neutral molecule ETOH plus. Now this carbon carries a positive charge. the carbon carries a positive charge. Okay, by loss of that one, carbon carries a positive charge. Okay, we'll write the one more step. So for understanding clearly, OH here, OH, this one carries a plus, and ETOH plus. Okay, ETOH is a leaving group. Huh? After leaving out, that becomes a neutral. So that is a good leaving group. So now here, this positively charged carbon gains electrons, that means form a pi bond from the lone pair of elements from either oxygen. That means here CH3, C, double bond O, H, here this one carries a positive. And now here CH3, C, here O, H plus, and this one OH. There are the two positives. Of course, either one is the same. Either one is same. So actually here, this OH from the water, you can see this one H2O, OH2 plus by loss of by proton transfer OH. So generally here one OH from the carbon, that is the ester, initially ester. By the protonation that becomes a OH, and next OH from the water. So here in this case, I will get the acid like this. So here CH3C by loss of proton actually. So double bond O, here OH plus, or this one CH3C OH double bond. Either one is same actually. Okay, either one is same. So now here, first suppose I am starting with this CH3 double bond O, OET plus H2O in the presence of acid medium. Now here, this oxygen is an isotopic oxygen, O18. Then there is an oxygen isotope 16, 18 like this. So O18. Now, then product is CH3C double bond O, OH plus ETOH. Now this one 18. This is also positive, C, OH and double bond O. Okay, so because in this case, or suppose I am taking this one 18 and this one again 18 and here O18, this one 18 and this one 18, this one 18 and this one 18 now. Okay, now here from this one 18, from this one OH contains isotopic oxygen. In this case, double bond oxygen contains isotopic oxygen. So here, that C double bond is formed from either OH. Okay, that is the key point in this case. So after formation of this carbocation, either OH can form the pi bond. That means here C double bond O 18 or sorry in this case, this one contains 18. Okay, either one contains 18. So both double bond oxygen or this OH also contains isotopic oxygen. So the main step in this reaction. Okay, because that either OH can form the pi bond. If this OH form the pi bond, then double bond O 18. If this OH form the pi bond, double bond O without 18. And that 18 oxygen, that isotopic oxygen present in OH2. So here, again double bond O and OH equal amounts of form 50-50. Okay, 50-50 equal amounts of organic. So here 50% and here 50%. Okay, that is the mechanism of this reaction. Now here, this acid catalyzed ester hydrolysis is a reversible. Acid catalyzed ester hydrolysis is a reversible reaction. Okay, that means here again for the acids and ethyl alcohol, from the acid and ethyl alcohol we can prepare the ester. Okay, that means a reverse reaction is possible. So acid hydrolysis, that ester hydrolysis in the presence of acid medium is a reversible reaction. Okay, so it's the main point here in this case. Whenever in the ester that oxygen contains 18, so that O18 may be present in a double bond O or may be present in OH. Okay, because it's a main intermediate. Okay, so from this one either OH can form the pi bond. Okay, That's it. Okay. So now in this ester hydrolysis, for suppose this is this oxygen contains it. Now we actually in the reaction it is leaving out. Okay. So that oxygen O18 present in a ethyl alcohol. That O18 present in ethyl alcohol. Okay. It's important because it is a leaving group in the reaction. That is leaving out from the substrate. So next, the basic medium CH3C double bond O, here Et, H2O, OH minus. In the presence of basic medium, generally here hydroxide. But suppose your base is NaOH. So products are C double bond O, ONA plus EtOH. What is the mechanism of this reaction? Actually, in case of the acid medium, there is a protonation. But in case of the basic medium, here OH minus water. Here OH minus and water, which is a strong nucleophile. OH minus is a strong nucleophile. Okay? The charges space is strong nucleophile. Attacks on this positive charged carbon. So here CH3, C, O minus ethoxy group, and this one OH. So next step is reformation of pi bond, leaving out this ethoxy group, double bond O, OH plus EtO minus. Okay, what is the leaving group? So now here immediately proton transfer takes place. CH3 double bond O minus plus EtOH. These are the products in basic medium hydrolysis. Okay, so actually here the basic medium hydrolysis is not a irreversible reaction. It's not a reversible reaction. It is a irreversible reaction because this carboxylate ion is stable. This carboxylate ion is stable. Okay, due to formation of the stable carboxylate ion, this basic medium ester hydrolysis is irreversible reaction. Okay, so acid medium hydrolysis, CH3C double bond O, OET, H plus and H2O. The reversible reaction CH3C double bond O, OH plus ethyl. Now in a basic medium hydrolysis, for suppose NaOH and H2O, CH3C double bond O, ONA plus EtOH. Okay, it's a reversible reaction. Reversible, and this is irreversible reaction. Okay, so here generally here this alkaline hydrolysis of esters, alkaline hydrolysis of esters, known as saponification. Okay, actually that alkaline hydrolysis of ester is known as saponification because that method, that means here alkaline hydrolysis, that method is used for the preparation of the soap. Okay, soap preparation method lo alkaline hydrolysis ane concept use chestam. So that's why this alkaline hydrolysis of ester is known as saponification. Okay, so that's it. Okay. So next another preparation methods, that is reduction reactions. So reduction reactions of carbonyl compounds, that means aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, anhydrides, esters, acetic halides. So all those compounds on reduction produce alcohols. So these reduction reactions are very, very important reactions. So let us discuss reduction reactions. Okay. So by the reduction, we can prepare the alcohols. Okay. So here in this case, this aldehyde on reduction produce alcohol. Okay, this aldehyde on reduction produce alcohol. So here let us consider like this here, COH, here H, here H. That means here hydrogen addition. It is addition of the hydrogen, so it is a reduction reaction. It is a reduction reaction. For suppose this ketone on reduction produce secondary alcohol. Okay, it is a secondary alcohol. Reduction means here nothing but addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogens. So next, carboxylic acid. It is converted to CH2OH again. Okay, next, ester also produce CH2OH, and this one R-OH, another part of alcohol. So next here, acid halide, RCH2OH. Okay. So next, carboxylic acid, esters, acid halides. So generally these compounds produce alcohols on reduction reaction. Okay. So now here, the amides. Amides produce amides. Okay, not alcohols. So remember this one. And cyanides on reduction produce RCH2NH. It is also addition of hydrogens. Okay, 2 hydrogens to this carbon and 2 hydrogens to this hydrogen. And next, NO2 on reduction converted to RNH2. Okay, so all these are the reduction reactions. Now here, what are the reagents for the reduction process? Okay, so reagents for the reduction process. So here first one is LiAlH. Okay, and second one sodium borohydride, and third one B2H6 tetrahydrofuran, and fourth one lithium borohydride LiBH4, and fifth one dibal 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 H, and sixth one metal and H2, catalytic reduction that is. Okay, so these are the main reducing agents we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so first of all, let us start with lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride. This is lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, structure is Li plus Al, H here H, H, H minus. Okay, that means here simply we can write Li plus AlH4 minus, that is lithium aluminum hydride. This one acting as a reducing agent. Okay, as reducing agent, it transfer H minus, nothing but hydride, the transfer of H minus ion, hydride ion transfer gas actually. Okay, it's a very very important reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydride. So many reactions we will see in the organic chemistry. Lithium aluminum hydride is a one reducing agent. So actually here with the lithium aluminum hydride, so this aldehyde reduced to alcohol. All these compounds produce alcohols by using lithium aluminum hydride. So actually here in this case, first suppose this aldehyde on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, okay, lithium aluminum hydride, followed by hydrolysis, we will get the RCOH here, H and H. Okay, lithium aluminum hydride. So here, of course, in this case, hydrogen added to the carbon, hydrogen added to the oxygen. So it is a reduction reaction. Here in this case, lithium aluminum hydride is a reducing agent. Okay. So now here in this case, all ketones, acids, esters, acid halides, amides, cyanides, and nitro compounds all are reducing into these compounds with the lithium aluminum hydride. So actually here this lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducing agent. It is strong reducing agent. It reduces all compounds. Here all compound means here the given compounds. Aldehydes, ketones, acids, esters, acid halides, amides, cyanides, and nitro compounds. All compounds are reduced by the lithium aluminum hydride into the alcohols, and but these three compounds converted to amides. The amides are converted to amides, and cyanides are converted to amides, and the nitro compounds are converted to amides. Okay, so that's it. First, write this one. So now here, aldehyde on reaction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis that produce OH, H here H. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? So this aldehyde AlH4, AlH4. So here this H minus, AlH4 minus, actually here aluminum has a negative charge in this case. So here in this one, this hydrogen with pair of electrons attacks on this carbon. So it means RC O minus here H, here H. This hydrogen from the lithium aluminum hydride. This hydrogen from the lithium aluminum hydride. So by loss of electrons in the breaking of this aluminum hydrogen bond, this hydrogen gains, this hydrogen attacks on this carbon with a pair of electrons. Then there are no electrons on the aluminum, so that converted into AlH3, AlH3, and remaining Li plus that is coordinated with O minus. Okay. Now here this one on the hydrolysis process. So Rc OH here H, here H. This hydrogen from the LiAlH4 and this hydrogen from H2. Okay. So actually here by treating with water, here this AlH3 is hydrolyzed, this Li plus converted to LiOH and AlH3 also converted to AlOH thrice. Of course, hydrolysis is not necessary for this reaction. Okay. So here the totally that aldehyde converted to alcohol. Now I am writing this one. C double bond OH. For suppose I am taking here formaldehyde. LiAl D4. Okay, LiAl D4. In this case here H O minus here H. Here D. That is D minus attached in this case. So next here followed by hydrolysis. I am taking H2O. So H here OH H and here D. For suppose D2O, I am taking D2O, so OD H here D. Okay, so the hydrogen which is present on the carbon comes from the LiAlH4, and hydrogen present on the oxygen comes from the water solvent. Okay, so next step is the hydrolysis step. First is the LiAlD4. So here actually here another point, for the first step either is a solvent. For the first step either is a solvent. Okay, O minus Li plus, it is an ionic compound. Now. This is ionic compound. Now ionic compound is hydrolyzed by the water. The ionic compound is hydrolyzed by the water. Okay, that's it. Of course, here these carbonic compounds are less soluble in water. That's why here either is a solvent. And next here, why either is a solvent in this reaction? If you take the initially water, this H minus from this one combines with H plus. This H minus from the LiAlH4 combines with H plus from the water, so that produces H2 plus. So that's why either is the solvent in this case. Okay, LiAlD4 or LiAlH4 either is a solvent. Because directly మనం వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే and initially వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఈ వాటర్ లో ఉన్న H ప్లస్ LiAlH4 లో ఉన్న H మైనస్ రెండు కంబైన్ అయ్యి H2 గ్యాస్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. సో అందుకే ఇనిషియల్ మనం ఏదర్ సాల్వెంట్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. సో వన్స్ LiAlD4 సారీ ఏదర్ సాల్వెంట్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో వాటర్ సాల్వెంట్ యూజ్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్. సో LiAlH4 యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ ద రియాక్షన్ we have to add the water. Okay, so it is ionic compound, so it is soluble in water, so protonation takes place. But initially మనం వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే so that H plus from the water and H minus from the AlH4, so that gives a H2. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that is the reaction. So for suppose here CH3 C double bond OH aldehyde LiAlH4 plus in the second step H2O, so that is converted to C H here H, that's it. That means it is primary alcohol. Okay, it is a primary alcohol. So next here side products are the lithium hydroxide plus aluminum hydroxide. Lithium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide. Actually here 4 moles of this balancing equation. It is a balancing equation. Here 4 moles and here 4 moles. So now here in this case so number of oxygens. So actually here 4 oxygens. Here 3 oxygens. 7 here oxygen, 8 oxygens. So already 4 oxygens are there. So 4 H2O. So number of hydrogens, 4 hydrogens here, 8 hydrogens, 12 hydrogens. So in this case, extra 2 hydrogens. So here 4, 8 hydrogens. Here 3 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen. So totally there is a balance. So here point is, so 4 moles of aldehyde, 4 moles of aldehyde is equals to 1 mole of lithium aluminum hydride. So 4 moles of aldehyde is reduced by the 1 mole of the lithium aluminum hydride, or 4 equivalents of the aldehyde is reduced by the 1 equivalent of the lithium aluminum hydride. Very very important point. Okay, that's it. Right. Okay, so you will write some reactions. This is the ketone LiAlH4 tetrahydrofuran, either is a solvent and followed by hydrolysis. So product is CH3 OH H CH3. Just 2 hydrogens. Carbon cation hydrogen LiAlH4 నుంచి వస్తుంది. అలాగే oxygen cation hydrogen water molecule నుంచి వస్తుంది. Okay. So next, for suppose this ketone produce OH here H like this. Okay. So next, for suppose this benzaldehyde, double bond OH this benzaldehyde and reduction with LiAlH4 tetrahydrofuran followed by hydrolysis. So that produce benzyl alcohol. COH H here H. Benzaldehyde is reduced to benzyl alcohol. Benzaldehyde is reduced to benzyl alcohol. That's it. Okay. So next, first suppose PHC double bond O PH. This one LiAlD4 and next one is the H2. So in this case here, OH here PH here, this is the benzophenone. This is benzophenone. That's it. Okay, now here one more point is, first suppose this is PH and double bond O and this is CH. Okay, this compound name is acetophenone. Now here, this one LiAlH4 followed by hydrolysis. Now here LiAlH4 minus, here Li plus AlH4 minus. So H minus attacks from either front side or back side, because here it is a planar one. This is planar compound. So here this positive charge carbon attacked by the H minus either front side or back side. So we will get the two products. That means here for suppose PH CH3 OH H, or its mirror image OH H PH CH. That means here it is a racemic mixture. If it is a chiral compound, actually here on both sides alkyl groups are different. Here phenyl and methyl. If both sides alkyl groups are same, only single product, because it is not a chiral compound. Okay. So whenever there is a chirality possibility, so we will get the two products. Both are the mirror images each other. So it is a racemic mixture. Okay. Equal amounts of the two products are formed. Okay. It is a planar compound. So that is attacked by the H minus either front side or back side. We will get the 50-50. 50% is one enantiomer and 50% of other enantiomer. So that is nothing but racemic mixture. Okay. So that is about the reduction reactions of the lithium aluminum hydride with aldehydes and ketones. With ketones, what is a secondary alcohol? With aldehyde, what is primary alcohol? This is the primary alcohol. All aldehydes produce primary alcohols. All ketones produce secondary alcohols. Okay. First, suppose it is a ketone. Now it is a secondary alcohol. On both side carbon there is one hydrogen, so secondary alcohol. It is a ketone. Okay. The ketone what is a secondary alcohol. This carbon is bonded to the other two carbons. Okay. So right answer. Okay. Next, reaction of acid halide with LiAlH4 followed by hydroxylase. So here product is CH3 CH2OH. That's it. Okay. That is the reduction of acid halide into ketone. That means COCl converted into CH2OH. Now here what is the mechanism of this reaction? From the AlH4 minus. From the AlH4 minus, so H minus attacks on this carbon, so CH3 O minus ClH and Cl plus AlH3. This Al is remaining from AlH4 minus after loss of H plus. After loss of H minus, we are remaining one AlH3. Next here reformation of fiber and leaving of Cl minus. So product is CH3 double bond over H plus Cl minus AlH3. That's it. Okay. So here in this case, so as usually this aldehyde is again reduced to CH3 CH2OH. That's it. Okay. This aldehyde is usually reduced to alcohol. Okay. Again here mechanism. I am not discussing the mechanism. Aldehyde is reduced to alcohol. Just to discuss that one. So first here acid halide to aldehyde to alcohol. So oral reaction is nothing but CH3COCl plus LiAlH4 plus H2O. That produces CH3CH2OH plus HCl LiOH plus AlOH thrice. I think here 4 moles of water, here 2 moles of acid halide. So actually here this acid halide converted to alcohol. So here one hydrogen from the LiAlH4 and here one hydrogen and here second hydrogen. So in this case here this hydrogen from the LiAlH4, this hydrogen, and next hydrogen again Li from LiAlH4. So here in this case here 2 equivalents of the acid halide consumed by the 1 equivalent of the LiAlH4. Okay. So we can balance the reaction. The 2 equivalents. Okay. With the acid halide actually. For suppose here this is the benzoyl chloride. This is benzoyl chloride. This is benzoyl chloride. This benzoyl chloride on reduction LiAlH4 tetrahydrofuran is a solid. Okay, followed by hydrolysis. So LiH lithium aluminum hydride. So this benzyl chloride converted to benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Okay. Yes. So your point is 2 moles of 2 equivalents of acid are reduced by the 1 equivalent of the LiAlH4. That is the important point in this one. Okay. So that is the acid. Just very simple. COCl converted to CH2OH by using lithium aluminum hydride. Okay. So write on this. Okay, now here esters CH3C double bond O ET. This one reduction to LiAlH4. Second one hydrolysis. So here CH3 CH2OH plus ETOH. That's it. Okay. Alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Of course, both are ethyl alcohol. Both are ethyl alcohol. So in this case, again here same mechanism. From the AlH4 minus, H minus adapts on this one. So CH3, C, O minus here H, here ethoxy group and reformation of pi bond and leaving of this ethoxide. So CH3 double bond O, H aldehyde, again aldehyde is formed and here ETO minus. Now this one furtherly reduced to CH3C, O minus H, then H. Okay? LiAlH4. Again H minus attacks on this carbon. So that is reduced to this one. So here, this is the CH3, CH2O minus action. Or you are writing like this here CH3, CH2O minus. Now here on hydrolysis, it is converted to ETOH. It is also converted to ETOH. Okay? Okay? That's it. For suppose CH3, sorry. So again in this case here, the balancing reaction is nothing but here CH3. So I am writing like this here. RC double bond O, here ET plus LiAlH4 followed by hydrolysis. So that produce RCH2OH. Okay, this spot converted to RCH2OH, and now it is ethyl alcohol plus LiOH plus AlOH threads. That's it. So I think here 4 moles of water, here 2 moles of ester. Here 1 mole of ethyl alcohol. Here 2 moles of this one and 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. That's it. Okay. So again here in this case, the main point is here 2 equivalents of the ester. 2 equivalents of the ester is nothing but 1 equivalent of the lithium aluminum hydride. So 1 equivalent of the lithium aluminum hydride can reduce the 2 equivalents of the ester. Okay? So it is ester reduction. So whatever is the here in this case here COEET, that is converted to CH2OH. Okay, right. Okay, that is with the acid halide and ester. And next here with the carboxylic acid. With carboxylic acid. So LiAlH4 and followed by hydrolysis. So in this case here, again product is CH2OH. Okay, it is converted to CH2OH. But in this case here, H2 gas is also produced. H2 gas is also produced. Why H2 gas is produced? Initially in this case, this carboxylic acid group contains acidic hydrogen. Okay, that is acidic hydrogen. And next here, Li plus AlH4 minus AlH4 minus. Okay, So here this H minus from the AlH4 minus H minus is leaving. So this H minus is a basic in nature. This is the base and here H plus. So H plus H minus combination that produces a H2 gas. That produce H2 gas. So here that's why H2 gas released in this case. But in case of the aldehydes, ketones, acidic halides, esters, there is no acidic hydrogen. So that's why here in those reactions H2 gas is not released. But in the carboxylic acid, H2 gas is released. Okay, so very important point. So here I am not discussing the mechanism, so it's not necessary. So carboxylic acid, okay, plus LiAlH4 plus H2O. In this case, 3 equivalents of LiAlH4 and 4 equivalents of the carboxylic acid. Okay, so that produces 4 equivalents of the RCH2 OH plus lithium hydroxide 3 moles plus 3 moles of the aluminum hydroxide. So that's it. So you can balance the reaction also. So number of oxygens 4, therefore. So here 3 oxygens, here 3, 9 oxygens. So 9 plus 3, 12 oxygens. So here 12 H2. Okay. So number of hydrogens in this one. No, sorry. In this case here 8 oxygens, 2, here 4, 8 oxygens. So in this case 4 oxygens. Here 3 oxygens, 7, and here in this case 9 oxygens. 9 plus 16 oxygens are there. So here 8 oxygens. In this case 16 oxygens. So out of the this remaining one 8 oxygens. That means here 8 H2. Okay. So number of hydrogens 4. Here number of hydrogens 12, 4 hydrogens plus 12 hydrogens plus, here 16 hydrogens, so totally 32 hydrogens. So in this case count the number of hydrogens, here 2, here 1, 3, that means here 12 hydrogens. Here in this case 3 hydrogens, here in this one 3 and here 3. So again here 9 hydrogens. So 9 hydrogens plus 3 hydrogens, 12 hydrogens. So here 12 hydrogens, here 16 hydrogens, here 4 hydrogens. So 32 hydrogens. So in this case, you have 3 hydrogens, so 12 hydrogens. Here 3 hydrogens. Here in this case 3, 3. So 9 hydrogens. 9, 3, 12 hydrogens. So 12 hydrogens plus 12 hydrogens, 24 hydrogens. So yes. So remaining one is H2. H2 gas is released in this reaction. So remaining, so in this case 24, so totally 13. So remaining 4 H2. Okay, so that is the balanced equation. So your point is 4 equivalents of the carboxylic acid is reduced by the 3 equivalents of the lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, that's it. And next here, so we'll discuss some examples. So this benzoic acid on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride is converted to simply benzyl alcohol. Okay, the COH converted to CH2OH. Okay, so next, for suppose CH3, this acetic acid. This acetic acid on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, CH3, CH2OH. OH. Okay, so reduction reactions of the lithium aluminum hydride. So reduction. Next, with the lithium aluminum hydride, this amide LiAlH converted to RCH2 NH2. Okay, so remember this reaction. So the amide is converted to amide. Okay, first suppose CH3 C double bond O NH2 with the lithium aluminum hydride CH3 CH2 NH2. First suppose in case of the cyclic amide NH, this one, on treating with lithium aluminum hydride NH like this. Okay, CO converted to CH2. Okay, so you want to read this one. And similarly CH3CN, this one reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. So CH3 CH2 NH2. Okay, so here you will write the products for these reactions. Double bond O, LiAlH4. This is the cyclic ester LiAlH4, and keto group, and here this is the amide group LiAlH4, and fourth one CH3 C double bond O N CH3 LiAlH. Next, one more reaction, double bond O LiAH. Okay, this one. And next, ketone. Next, acid halide LiAH. Write the products of these reactions. Next, this one, ester LaH. Write the product. Okay. So one more reaction. This is ester. This is the acid halide. And reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, that's it. Let's see one more reaction with lithium aluminum hydride, cyclic ether. This is cyclic ether, LiAlH4. Now here from the LiAlH4, so H minus attacks on this one, breaking out this bond. So O minus, here a hydrogen followed by hydrolysis, so that becomes a OH. Okay, so it allows the product. First, suppose it is a unsymmetrical ether, unsymmetrical cyclic ether, LiAlH4. This reaction follows SN2 method because H minus is a neutral, charge in the profile. So H minus attacks at the less substituted carbon. SN2 mechanism that follows. Okay, that attacks on the carbon which is less substituted. So you are breaking up this bond. O minus here, hydrogen, H2O. So hydrogen, this one. Okay, it is a tertiary alcohol, of course. That depends on the structure of the cyclic ether. Okay. First, suppose here, if you start with this reaction, LiAlD4 followed by hydrolysis, then what is the product? Okay. And next, CH3, CH2, NO2. The nitro compound under reaction with lithium aluminum hydride that produce CH3, CH2, and NH2. Okay. Amine is the product in this case. Cyclic ether, in case of cyclic ether, and H minus attacks at the less substituted carbon. Here there are the two methyl groups. So in this case here, no methyl groups, that means here no substituents. So always that H minus attacks on the less substituted compound because that follows the SN2 mechanism. Because the H minus is a charge nucleophile and tetrahydrofuran, that is the polar aprotic solvent, so that covers SN2 mechanism. That's it. Okay.